Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preserving data, backup contacts, messages, and critical files so you can restore later. Next, open Quick Settings and tap Airplane Mode to drop cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth at once. This is the fastest way to become unreachable. Once done, double-check toggles. If you want silent pairing off, also disable Bluetooth and NFC manually. Make sure location services are off too, because radios can leak presence even when alerts are silenced. After radios are down, you need to stop account sync and push services. Go to Accounts, remove or sign out of your Google account and any messaging apps. Then, in Network Settings, explicitly disable mobile data, VoLTE, LTE, and Wi-Fi calling so carriers can't reach you. Once done, open apps and revoke notifications and background data for messaging and social apps. That prevents queued messages from waking the device. Make sure Do Not Disturb is set to block residual alerts. To finalize, power off, remove the SIM, and leave airplane mode engaged so the device has no network identifiers. That makes you effectively unreachable. If specific services still link to the device, consider a factory reset only after backing everything up, because that removes persistent app registrations and device ID. If you remain reachable, check carrier call forwarding, active device admin apps, or SIM cloning. Remove suspicious apps and contact your carrier. One troubleshooting tip: test with a burner phone to confirm isolation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.